This conference will now be recorded.
We are almost done with this. So we have four more session: file handling, exception handling. Then we have a NumPy. We'll move to the statistic. Okay. Some more topics about the class. That's small topics we have. So I guess by next week we'll close with the Python. Okay, can you open this file IO? All right. So did you get your path, guys? Let me have a quick revision what we have discussed yesterday. So if you want to operate your machine, your laptop from the Python, okay, open, read, delete, append, update, all right, how we can do that. So I'm showing you the same here. Just be online. Yeah, can you open this file and read your path fast? I believe you know your user path, which one you have user path. Just please, Sri, you try this?
Yeah, it's user slash yes, sir.
Yeah, please write this and create this file. Okay, all of you, please. So I'm giving you the quick. I believe you discussed yesterday. If you want to close the file, that's very important. If you want to create a file, if you want to open, this is how you open the file. We can read the file if you want to close. So make sure that when you're opening the file, parallel, you just close it. So it run automatically. Open get environment. Okay, home. So lst open. It's a markdown. So if you want to open, okay, closing a file, open a file. So writing a file. Let's start from there itself. New line, new tab. I believe you guys are familiar from this. So import OS. I believe yesterday you have seen this, and some of you have done this practical. So let's try this. Open the file. Okay. Open this file. This file has been created already, guys. So first you have to tell your home directory, where exactly your home directory. Okay. Tell your home directory, please. And this will move to the next. I have already created this file, and this is how I'm appending a new record into this file all the times. This is the second model. This is the LST close. Okay, let me try this. Okay, so let's create it. I guess okay, just let me. So this is the path where my file is getting created. Test2.txt, and this you can see I can read the file from there itself, and I'm operating from there itself. If you want to read the file, it's simply like lst open test2. Let me write this test2.txt and see here. Okay, what I'm having, this is this model, this is second model, and I can see the same here itself. Okay, so lst.read if you want to read the file, and this coming for the new line character. Open dot test. I'm reading the file name, guys, because I've just changed the file. Okay, if you want to read, the pointer will start from reading. See, so if you write this 0 1 2 3, Okay, and this is the 4. If you want to read it from this way, yes, of course you can do that as well. No such file directory. Why? Okay, my mistake. I have not written in the file, so test2.txt, and yep, it's coming. Yes, guys. So this is how I can operate. I can read my file and read it from indexed wise, the position wise. Okay, guys. Read return.txt. Simple. Okay, it will tell you the pointer position. So where exactly your pointer position right now? So I read this is ls. So this is ls. 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the 10th position. Now the interesting part is ls, this come onto this 10th position. You can count it easily and it will give it to you. But the interesting part is not this indexing. The interesting point is your index will be here. It will remain here. It remain here. Okay, lst this part. And if you want to check where exactly your cursor, where is a pointer right now? What is the pointer position? Because you have just read this part. So if you want to read this, so it is coming here. My cursor is right now, my pointer is on this position. If you want to get back, if you want to start from beginning from 0, you have to set it manually. So you have to seek until, understand guys, lst tell lst.seek is it will set again pointer position to initial position. So I will say that I come back. Now if I write this, you see it's 0 because I said that go back to this position. If I say that go back to the second position, so it's set 2. Now if you check this, where exactly the current position, it's a yes, it's on 2. So this is what seek, you can set the pointer and you can know the exact position of the pointer. All right guys, lst.read. Now see here, print lst.read, because this data I just pull into this. So lst.read, and what I'm having into this file, I can do all this operation, right? With that lst2, and this is the model 2, this is the second model. We can read line by line using for loop as we have discussed. So let's move, let's run through this. Can you start from this guys? Yes, can you start from this? I believe you have defined your where's your home directory. Okay, yes, 2 minutes you have.
I have I have read some of the lines in the test file. After writing it, I close the file and I supposed to read it. I can read the data whatever I print right now. But in the TST file, it's not updating yet. It will take time.
No, it not usually, it reflect immediately. Even if you can wait for some time, make sure that file the path is same. You might be opening, if it is reflecting on your console on Jupyter, and if it is not reflecting, means the file or path is created some different path. So you have to just check that, make sure, because it has been, if it is not there, it would not been showing on your Jupyter notebook. Okay, so check your path. All right, where exactly this is the same file. I don't think so. This is the same file which you have created on your Jupyter notebook. Yes.
Okay.
What's Sri? Sorry, Suryakant. Shubham?
Yes, we're working on it.
Working, yes.
Get fast. Done? Okay, so now you try this. It's working. Yes, please. Sri, is that working?
Yeah.
Okay,
No, sir,
thank you.
it's not working for me, sir.
Check that. It's not, why it is not working. No, you have to learn it from your end, okay?
The internet is very bad,
Check
so
that. Hmm? Yes, who else? Yes, please. Suryakant, Shubham. Can you do all this operation, guys?
There is some issue. There is some issue in opening directory.
I did not talk about right now directory. I just talk about a one single file. How the directory is
Yeah,
coming.
Same file.
Read the syntax. It's very simple. Just check it. Some wrong path. Sri, have you checked the path?
Yeah, I checked it. It's working fine.
All right, good. So guys, just check it. It's all about your command and the path. One minute more. Sonal, what's your? It's done. Guys, and Getsuya, I guess you have dropped the mail to support at the rate. I guess that is TCH Tech SUPPORT support at the rate pravatech.com. I ask this mail ID, guys. Tech support at the rate pravatech.com. Okay.
I have dropped one mail. Did you get?
Yeah, I told you drop the mail onto this mail ID. You send it to support, I guess. So tech
No,
support at the
I'm
rate
still same. I have sent to same mail ID.
Okay, next time let's check here. Yes, guys, come on. So, okay. Reading a file is clear. What are the different approach, pointer, this, done. We can read line by line. So LST is seek, we set 0 for line and LST. It's simple, right? LST with the two data you have. Okay. And why it is TH is missing here. Okay, one sec. Check it 0. Oh, not with work. So see here. Just now see, if the pointer is not there, you cannot read it when. So it's very important to get back to 0. Then the command was running, and even I was missing because it was 2. So I was just checking why it has been 2 because the pointer was there, and when I write lst.read, let me show you again, guys, so you can understand. Let me I set this to right. Now I want to read this lst. So see, yes, it started reading from this th because it started from this position. Okay, so it's very important. Now I did this. Hope you clear, guys. And this is written directly here sick 0, so it will not take it from this whatever. I've already mentioned this 60 for line print line, so it's a normal one. Okay, that's better. Alternative option to read line by line using read line. Right, guys? Read line. What is a read line? lst open.txt lst read line. So again, I have to give the test 2. This is model 2. So read line by line using readline ln function. But this is the model 2. This is the second model. Now I will read it. Now it is coming. So one by one, the line it's reading and it's coming to that. Clear? Let's see read line. So the third line is having space, so it's nothing will give it to you. LST dot lines read. Can anyone answer me? Why I'm getting this output, guys? Can anyone answer me? Yes, Ray. Can you read this, please?
Because like it's totally the test pad has only one single line.
Now the exception is
Might be line, might be the comment.
please write this command and come with that.
Sure.
Okay. So it's attributes coming here as well. IOX order object has attribute lengths. So read line, line by line. This read lines will read entire content of the file. So it's S, it's not S. So just understand the difference. Read line, read lines. Okay. Can try this first.
I'm also getting the same exception for that lines read. Object has no attribute lines.
Simple. You're talking about this?
Yeah, the above one.
No, that is what I ask you. Why this? What is this exception? Just come with that assignment. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So just try this read lines. Done, guys? Yes. Give me a quick response. Yes, Shubham, you
Yeah,
working?
it's showing. Yeah. Well.
Yes, Shubham, Shrikant.
Sir, नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब ऊपर का ही नहीं हुआ तो नीचे का तो सवाल ही नहीं।
Why? आपको path पता नहीं है? You don't know the path? I guess I asked you this guys.
पाथ
You
तो
have
मैंने
to set
मेंशन किया उसमें, फिर भी उस आउटपुट तो कुछ बता नहीं रहे हैं।
or output की। जो आपने path define किया, just go and check the path. What exactly the path you have? Just go and read this. Where's your file is being created? The path जो आपने दिया है, this is coming mine, so I can see it here. At least go and check it. If it is not giving an exception, means it is creating. You might be not able to find out the path. I guess Sri was facing the same issue, right, Sri?
Because like I actually given as a C colon over there. That's the reason it's
Okay,
C colon
so
user
just check the
slash
path first.
is arranger.
Okay, so I'm not sure what is your home path and that. So you can set it and check it. If it is running here well, means it must be creating.
पाथ पाथ तो सही है सर, पाथ इज करेक्ट।
ये command आपका चल रहा है, it's all working.
Which one?
Is it not? This command is working fine. आप चला रहे हो तो चल रहा है. It's not giving exception.
एरर आ रहा है सर।
क्या error आ रहा है बताइए.
Unicode escape code, it can't decode bytes in Boolean, something like that. Can I share my screen with you, sir, for a minute?
Shivam, let me just complete this.
Okay.
Okay, renaming, deleting live files path. Okay, so if you want to rename the file test, what was mine? test2.txt as a sample text. Let me try this. Okay, see, it not take time, I guess, right? Immediately check it. Working, guys? Sri, it's good. And now read the sample file the same way you want. If you want to remove that, if I remove that, again I have to create that and will come back to me. So please try it from your end and check it's working fine. Yes, working, Sri.
No, I'm giving a try.
Okay.
ये वाला पहले वाला it's throwing actually errors.
Which one?
Import OS rename wala. When I'm giving a try, it's showing that system cannot find a file path करके आप.
Okay, have you okay, make sure, okay, that is the reason.
Because above file path also it's same, right? Why it's
Yeah, that is the reason. So it must, why it is asking the path then? Please run this path again and do that.
okay.
So it will take the default path what you have set always, remember guys. Okay, guys. So let me just remove the file. os.remove. Guys, don't get panic. It may be some reason or the file path mismatch. That's the reason. So you can.
No, I have one doubt here. How the Python will recognize that this is a default path?
So this is what you have written here, right? Okay.
Okay, this part I doesn't. One
So
second.
see here, os.get environment your home directory. Get your home directory.
The home directory will be defined as my directory, right?
Yeah, of course. Mine is different. Yours is different.
Yeah.
That's what don't get confused, guys. This is what my path, my directory. Your will be different. So the reason only you guys are getting or diverting because you might be not given the proper path. Okay. Okay. Let's not stuck there. Okay. So renaming and deleting the files in Python. I rename the file. I want to read the file. Now I want to delete this. I deleted. See here, it's gone. See here, it's gone. And when I read this sample.txt, then what will give you the exception? There's no such file and directory. Okay, there's no such file and directory. Create, update, read, delete. Guys, done. If I run this again, so what is written there? Okay, see, it's created again. Hope it's clear. Right or no? Okay, we'll move to the next one. Python directory and file management. So we'll create the directory and the file management as well. So get cwd to get the current directory, guys. Get cwd, get home directory, get env, get current directory, get cwd. So you can write it and check your what is the current directory. Okay. Get the current directory. So I change the path. Now see here, change the directory. So now guys, it will make your work easier. You go to change the directory and then you can go and create the path, this file. So now it know that this is your path, so it will create this. You can do that as well. Okay, get the current directory. So now user Apple desktop. Now what are the file I'm creating? It will come and create it here itself. If you want to see the list of file and directory onto this, you see here, this is all on my desktop. It's available. It's on my desktop, right? Docplace.png. Let me show you the desktop. This is what my desktop, and you can change the directory and you can go and read that file as well. Okay. If you want to create a new directory, guys, hope you're, yes, Sonal, it's fine if it is not running on your machine, but yes, you can feel that command, it's all working. Later you can check the path mismatch, or you can take this alternative. It will definitely work. So no need to get panic, but understand what I'm running and I'm showing you the output is all clear, guys. Sonal, Subham, Surya, Sridhar.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I get a quick response from everyone? Sonal, Surya, Sri, get a fast response. If not, please let me know.
Yeah.
By seeing the commands, we can
Yeah.
make it out how the command is working, but a little bit of practice is required.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, I'm talking about, it's all about the path and directory. So take your time, work onto this, do the practice. It's nothing, any challenging task. Okay, it's all a very simple command. If you want to change the directory, create a new directory, osmkdir. I will not create it because it's already been created. Now see if I Provotic is there. Okay, let me create this. Okay, I created a new directory. Now if I want to check that, let's see here, the Provotic is created. If I directly want to check it from there itself, you see here, it's a blank. And if I want to delete this, remove the directory. RMDR is used to delete empty file. So remember, if it is empty directory, then you can use the RMDIR. It was an empty directory. Inside the directory, I will go and create the file. Non-empty directory, RM3, guys, inside this shuttle model. So what is this model? We'll talk about, we'll learn this. So now there's no directory Provotic is available. All right, guys, looks good, clear. Yes, please. All right. So for non-empty directory, RM3. I guess those are confused from the directory path, guys. I guess they can set their own directory, the path, check the directory, and then create the file and do all of the operation what you want. So RMDIR import shuttle. This is the I'll create a one directory. Okay. File one. Closed file. Okay, file one. Okay. All right. It's created, but I have to close it. That's the reason it's been coming, guys. That's fine. It's been created. You can see the file one. Okay. And still my the default path is not taking because I have changed the path and I'm to this directory. So guys, again, I'm repeating, if you're getting confused about this, I have change the directory, and this is the reason all the files are creating there, all the files in directory. So what I will do, I created this directory, and inside this I will create a one file. So it's a non-empty directory, right? Now inside this non-empty, if I want to delete this directory, it will not deleted by a normal command. So I will use rm tree, right? So I will get inside this directory, right? So osch, let me, okay. Now I'm into shuttle, now I'm into this directory. Now create a one file inside this directory, file one. File one, file exist. One sec. Okay. I have to taking all this. You understand this, guys, right? Because it was taking. Why it is not creating? Sorry. Let me try this again. So you can see the sequence, guys, right? So it would have created into some other path. Test1.txt. Test1. See here. It is on the desktop created. Can anyone explain why it is created here? Yes, Shubham. Why it is created here? Can you explain here? Yeah, Shubham, Surya, Sri, Sonal, anyone, can you explain
What's
why it
that?
is created?
Can you please repeat the question?
Why this is created this file here? I did something wrong, and this is the reason. So you give me the explanation why this. I was trying to create this file inside this directory, but it is created here. Why?
Because of the wrong path you have mentioned, maybe.
Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. I'm getting one call. Just be a minute. Yes. Yeah. You were saying something.
Yeah, just due to the wrong path mentioned.
How you find out it was the wrong path?
Because it's showing on the desktop, not the required folder like file one.
And how you come to know that is a desktop path? Why it is
Because
creating
it
on
will show
desktop?
the location. Sorry.
My question is why it has been created on desktop?
Because I think we mentioned there the desktop. We do not change the path like after.
Okay, where I have, okay, explain me why it has been created this far on the desktop. Is that anything here or in the above command? Yes, anyone? The problem what you're doing, I'm showing it on my machine actually. Why it has been there? Because I changed the path on top. You see, guys, this is very confusing. Reason because you're running the multiple commands, so you have to very much familiar with this command, what you have done and what exactly it would happen. So see here, I have changed that path. Fine, Shubham, right?
Yes,
I have
sir.
changed the
Yes.
path. So this is the path I'm having, and onto this path, after this I have not changed any path. So change the directory after this list of file and directory I was doing, right? I was
So
creating
we
a
have
new
to every time change the directory path.
not everyone, it's your wish where you want to create. It's very simple. You have a on your Windows you have a CDE, right? That kind of
Mm-hmm.
drive. You where you
Mm-hmm.
want to put your file, put your directory, you will decide. So I'm doing this all the from not you okay, this file you would create. So you have a user here, copy paste, cut paste, you are doing it's very easy. Same thing I'm doing from here itself, right?
Okay.
Okay. So if I say you
Yes.
have just move this cut paste, move this file from here to don't do it from this. Don't do it from here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So don't do it from here. From where you will do it? Do it from your Jupyter notebook, from your terminal, from Jupyter, from Python. You got it? आपको यहाँ से करना search. So you have to use this function. Hope it's clear. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Take care. All
Mm-hmm.
you clear? Shubham, Shashank, sorry, Shubham, Surya, Shrey, Sonal. All you clear, guys? So it's a
All
confusing
things are
before.
cleared, sir. But it's still not working for me.
Okay, that is not
When
working for you. That is another thing. That is not a concern. But the
okay,
command, the
okay, then all fine, all good. I understand all
okay.
the thing.
All right. So here, just a minute, guys. Shuttle. So what I'm trying to show you, if it is an empty directory, so it's easy to see here. It is an empty directory, so it's easy to delete by this command. What command, guys? If you have empty directory,
RMDIR. RMDIR.
right? RMDR. Let me just file one. I'm repeating again. Let me file one, right? What's it called actually? What is the name? File one. File one, right? So why it is not coming? File one. Hey, RMDIR, is that file created? No, it's not file created. So it must be deleted. Let me set the path. Let me just cross check. Mm -mm -mm -mm. Oh, sorry. You understand this? Why it happened? So I'm inside itself file one. I'm inside this, so I cannot delete from there. So I will run this command again, and now just check it. Now do this. Fine, Suryakant. It's clear. So it's good. What all your doubts? I guess you'll get the more
Yes.
clarity after this. No, see, it's gone. So I'm again coming. So where is my pointer, guys? Of the directory. This is the desktop right now I'm having. So I will do what I for the empty directory I can delete it. What non-empty directory I cannot run this command. I have to do it. So what I will create a one directory. Inside this directory I will create a one file. Then I will try this. So it's a POC. So I'm trying to do the same, and for this you use this, you have to import this import shell. Okay, so os mkdir, create a one directory. Okay, file one. Now for your understanding, even you just check this, what is the current directory. So you make sure that yes, you're performing the operation creating the file. And what happened? File one. So see here, easy guys. All right, now don't confused. I believe now it's clear. So I will leave file created. Now again I run this command twice, so see that effect. So you have to make sure that after running this, you make sure all this thing is properly done and run one time. If you run twice inside this directory, one more file has been created. Anyways, now you understand this. Now, if you want, what I have to do it, what was my mistake? I type it one by one. So the reason it is creating multiple, so lst right, lst right 19. What the problem? Where is that? lst test.txt lst.write. Let's better delete this. And, okay, gone, all gone. And one shot, I will run this command. So there should not be. But for this, I have to come back onto this directory. Okay, anyways, we have cross-checked what we are trying to do here. So we don't need to do this. Guys, run this in a single. Okay. File 1, file created. See, simple thing has been done. Why it was we are doing a mistake. And now I will select this file. It's gone. All good? Hope it's clear, Shri.
Yes.
Okay, so just try this all on your machine. Maybe multiple operation is there, file input output operation. Whatever you are doing from your cut cop. Okay, so right on the side statement cut paste, create a one directory. Okay, just create a one directory and put a file into that directory, and from that directory move the file into this directory. So copy paste and cut paste right on the command, guys. Fast. Right on the assignment, copy paste and cut paste. How to do that? All right, all good. Any question? Fine then. Catch you on Monday. Oh, hope you guys, when you're coming to this, then yes, I guess there's all the file operation would have done. Fine, Surya, Sonal, Subham.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so catch you in the next weekend. We'll start with a new topic, exception handling. Okay, so in this we'll talk about try, multiple things. So it is also quite interesting topic, exception handling, and then we are left with we will move to NumPy statistic. We're moving to the statistics. So after this, we have some basic topic class, how to create the class inheritance. Okay, so hopefully by next week we'll close this. All right, guys. Thank you. Happy and safe weekend. Take care. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Bye, sir.